So Google has recently open sourced GNM, Generative Anthropometric Model, an AI model that generates realistic human heads by learning from thousands of high-quality 3D human scans. If you are a game developer, character artist, or someone learning Blender, this tool can save you a lot of time when creating realistic faces. Now here's the good news. A community developer has created a Blender add-on, so you can use GNM directly inside Blender. I have added the download link in the description. You can support with a donation or simply enter 0 to continue. Just enter your email address and download the zip file. Now open Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons. Click the drop down arrow in the top right corner. Choose Install from Disk. Select the zip file you just downloaded. Once the add-on is installed, press N to open the sidebar in the 3D viewport. You should now see a new GNM tab. Before using it, you will need to install the required dependencies. Just click Install Dependencies. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, let's delete the default cube and click Import/Rebuild Head to generate our first human head. Instantly, you will notice several identity controls, including options for gender, ethnicity, and facial expressions. For this demonstration, I will set gender to male and the ethnicity to white. Let's delete this modifier, we don't need it. If you don't want to create a face manually, simply click Randomize and GNM will instantly generate a completely new face. Keep clicking until you find the one you like. But if you want more control, you can customize every feature yourself. Let's expand this advanced section. Here you will find hundreds of parameters for different parts of the head, eyes, and teeth. To change the shape of head and face, you can simply adjust the sliders of these head parameters. Let's move on to expressions. You will find several preset expressions to choose from, such as surprise, disgust, shock, compress face, stretch face, squint, blow, wink left, wink right, and more. For this example, I will select happy, but feel free to experiment with the others. You can also randomize the selected expression with a single click. Let's expand the second advanced section. Here you get even more control over the face. You can fine-tune the mouth, adjust the tongue, and even customize the iris to give your character a more unique appearance. Once you're happy with the result, you can simply export it. To create a completely new character, just click Import/Rebuild Head again and you're ready to begin from scratch. Thank you for watching. Make sure to thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, keep creating, keep rocking.